Hi, I'm Yvette Rios, and I'm gonna be your ghostess with the mostest because it's my favorite time of year. It's Halloween, and I'm gonna be bringing the holiday home by decorating my mantle. I'm starting with my DIY candy jars, and this project is all about color blocking with your candy. So instead of putting a bunch of multicolored candy in there, we're gonna make layers, which will look really cool. So my first layer is gonna be black licorice, about 2 bags. And next, I'm gonna put my Peep Ghosts. Look how cute these are, you guys. And what's fun about these, they're like paper dolls. They're all holding hands. So I'm gonna put these guys in like this, and then they're gonna rest along the outside edge of your canister. How cute are those? I'm gonna use pumpkins, so I'm gonna fill them in the center, kind of push them along the sides to hold your ghosts in place. And then one more bag. It is Halloween. To finish it off, I'm gonna put a little bit of our black and white ribbon around it. I'm putting it between the line of the ghosts and the licorice. Looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a little bow on the top. Cool. Now it's time to put it on the mantle. So this candy jar is gonna be the perfect finishing touch for my mantle. And you can see I've got so many super cute items over here. I wanna show you guys these little gnomes. They're so cute. They've got little black and white stockings to match our black and white theme. And they're weighted and they hold this little pennant banner so you don't have to go ahead and tape things up along your mantle. You just plop them up there and the banner's good to go. I loved these little pumpkins. They're fabric and they've got that black and white gingham that really ties in our whole look. The fabric pumpkin trio with the little black and white gingham is so super cute too. And then you've gotta have some festive little pillows. I mean, how cool are these? They have got lights in them so they light up at night, and you just hang them with some fishing line and some clear command strips. I don't have to worry about doing damage to my mantle when I take them off, and they look like they're floating in air. And if you've got a TV on top of your mantle, like a lot of people do, put a screensaver on there, something really easy that says something festive like boo. This display came together so fast and is wickedly cute.